Okay, and let's apply. Okay, now that we've got this, now what do we do with it? Let's save the map as, save it in a Polish format. It's called mutstrut.mp. Polish format is basically the format that's taken in by another program, which we're going to download here in a second. But let's have a look at that Polish map file. This might give you an idea how I create my maps and why you wouldn't want to be creating them that way yourself. You'll see here this includes all the information which we just put in. Here's our actual polyline here representing our route. Here's the entity type, our zoom levels, whether or not the map's transparent, all that kind of fun information. Okay, we don't need to change anything in there though, but basically what I do, I create these files directly programmatically. Okay, so what we need now is a program called CGPS Mapper. So go to www.cgpsmapper.com, hit download, scroll down to the free version of CGPS Mapper, download it. Actually, let's download that version there. Ooh, that was too big. Actually, we'll download that one. They're all pretty much the same. Hit save. Now this will take a little while to download. Basically what this does is this will compile the maps into a form that can be displayed on the GPS. Okay, this guy went in and reverse engineered the Garmin image file format to the great benefit of a lot of people. If you use this program a lot, I'd really recommend that you pay for it, because it's a great program and that kind of thing should be supported. Okay, so you go WinZip, extract to a folder. Okay, and you'll see we've got some files in here. So if we take our mutstrut.mp, let's move it to that folder. Okay, now what you need to do, I wonder what happened. This is a version I've not worked with, so let's see what happens if I go open. Nothing particularly interesting happens if I go open. So go start, run, open up a command prompt by typing in CMD. We want to go change directory to this directory here that it shows in the title bar, because we need to cd desktop/CGPS Mapper free, because we need to be able to CGPS Mapper is a command line program, and in order to use it, we need to be at a command prompt. So if you go CGPS Mapper AC and then type in the name of your MP file, mutstrut.mp, and you'll see pretty quickly here we end up with a compiled image file. Okay, so we're actually most of the way there now. We can have a look at this image file actually with GPS Map at it, and it shows us our nice little Mutstrut route. It also shows us the free version, puts this little tag in here that says map created with cgpsmapper.com. It only puts that in once, so if you have a very large map, it's just stuck in the bottom corner. If you have certain of the paid versions, you can get away without having that on there. The other thing you can do is, if you really object having that there, is use Map Center. I'm not going to cover that here, but basically that will compile with a lot more options than you can get in the free version of CGPS Mapper. And if you're really serious about creating these maps, I highly recommend it. Okay, now we want to get this file into MapSource. So what do? We go to Google, our favorite search engine, and type in Mapset Toolkit. Okay, now this program will basically create the files needed by MapSource to register the maps so that it can see them. So we download that file, save it to the desktop. Okay, here it is here. Unzip it. Extract to the desktop. Okay, open this. Okay, now you can do this. This is the easy way to do it. If you're particularly adventurous, you can do this a slightly harder way, and that is to manually create the files that this program feeds into CGPS Mapper. So you'll notice here it's got that image file. We have to select that image file, create a map set directory. We'll just create it under there. This would be where you'd normally want to put it. Now let's call this sample map set. Give it a family ID. These have to be unique. Map version 1. No copyright info. Transparent. Yes. Okay, now you have to tell MapSet Toolkit where to find CGPS Mapper. Go onto the desktop is where we put it. You can put it wherever you like. And open that. And open that. And there we go. Now it knows where to find CGPS Mapper. Type files can be used to customize the display. But so now we can go install in MapSource when we're done. And hit start. See, it goes through a little process. It says convert determined, whatever that means. And you'll see we have a new file over here that says sample map set. Now, if we open up MapSource, what we should find is there's a sample map set down here at the bottom. And there we've got our nice little Muttstrut route on there. Now, if we want to send that to the GPS, well, there's another little point on here, another created with CGPS Mapper. So if we wanted to send this to the GPS, you click on the map tool at the top, click on that, transfer, send to device, and we're done. Hope you enjoyed this quick little demo.